Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look right here. It's like these small boho box braids. I guess that's what you call them. I've been seeing people call them. I don't know if that's the real word, the real name for them, but hey. But yeah, I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this. I know my last tutorial was like a little bit longer and it was real in-depth. This one is just short and sweet. It's like straight to the point. But I hope you guys like it still. I'm just showing y'all how I did like the braids with the curls. And that's really what I did on my entire head. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just continue watching. And I hope you guys like it. Alright, hey you guys, so as y'all can see, I did my whole head basically. Only have one braid left. I'm just showing y'all what the majority of my head looks like, and then in a second I'm gonna show y'all how I do this one little last piece that's left. I'm just feeling around, admiring, trying to show y'all what's going on. So first I'm gonna just show y'all everything that I use. So the first thing is just this Xpressions hair, braiding hair. I think it's like 48 inches. And then I use this Freetress braid, a wavy. You can use any like curl type. I'm not sure which curl type this was, but you can use any one that you prefer. You can even use human hair. I think I actually prefer that. And then I just have combs that I'm gonna use, some clips, and some gel. It's the Ebin gel, extra hold, and that's pretty much it. So I'm about to get started on this last braid, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just comb through my hair, and I'm gonna get some gel and just put it on the base of that piece. Not a lot, as y'all can see. I'm just put it on the base of this piece of hair and work it in to make it smooth. Alright, so I have 3 different pieces of hair when I'm braiding. So this is the main piece. That's a piece I'm going to use to extend the braid because the actual hair wasn't as long as I would like it to be. And then I have the curly hair that I'm going to add. So the curly pieces, they were a little bit too thick. So what I did was I just split them in half. And I used those pieces to add into the braids instead of like a full piece because it was too thick. And it should just easily separate like that. And that's my piece. Alright, so I'm going to take that first main piece and I'm just going to start braiding. I don't really know if I can explain how to braid, but y'all can kind of see what's going on. So I'm just going to braid down. And I like to use gel every now and then just to make sure all my pieces are smooth and my hair is not sticking out or anything. Alright, so when I get to maybe like 1/4 of the braid, you can put the curls anywhere. I put them all different places on different braids, but I put this one about 1/4 to the top. And so what I did is I just took the curly piece and I just started braiding it into the normal braid. So in order to make sure that it's in there and it's not gonna come out or anything, I'm just braiding that maybe like 5 or 6 plaits down. And then what I'm gonna do is take one of the pieces and move it out of the way because that's gonna be the one that shows, and the other piece is just gonna be braided into the braid. So the one that I separated is gonna stick out, and that's gonna be my curly piece. I'm just making sure everything's smooth. And then I'm just gonna braid normally and braid that curly piece into the braid. And here's where I decided to add extra hair for a little bit more length. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like my braids to be a little bit longer, so I decided to put another piece there so I could extend my braid. And I'm just gonna braid all the way down. But yeah, that is it. So now I'm just making sure the curly hair is in place, and that is all there is to it. It's really simple, super easy, and super cute. I'm just showing y'all what it looks like from the back, all angles. And yeah, so now it's time to dip, and what I did was I sectioned off all the curly pieces so they don't get in the way when I'm dipping. That just made it easier to dip the straight pieces. And now I'm back from dipping. They're all straight. And I'm just gonna unclip the curly pieces because I'm about to do something to them to make them a little bit more vibrant. So I'm taking this coconut curls mousse. I'm just taking a little bit of that on my hand, and I'm gonna work it into the curly hair. This will probably work better if you have like human hair, but I guess it worked out well for me. So I'm just gonna do that on every single curly piece that there is. And then I'm gonna take some Nairobi, and this foaming mousse I'm gonna put all over my head just to like make sure my braids are sleek and smooth. It's just a little finishing touch. You can use any mousse for this though. So I'm just working that in, really getting my scalp in like the base of the braid. And that is it. I'm done. This is a finished product. I hope you guys liked this. I hope it wasn't too short for you guys. Hope y'all still got something from it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.